You've got your two texts. You notice they both have tragic endings. The beginner's trap is to just state that. Both texts end tragically. That's an observation, not an analysis. To elevate your writing, you need to ask the single most important question. So what? Think of your job as putting these two texts into a conversation. Your starting point is finding a meaningful connection, not a trivial one like both mention the weather, but a significant theme, like how they explore identity. The shared ground is where the real debate begins. Now you focus on the differences in their treatment. Maybe text A presents identity as a trap, something authentic that can be lost, while text B sees it as a performance, a source of liberation. For instance, Fitzgerald's Gatsby performs his Oxford man identity, but it ultimately proves hollow, suggesting a modernist anxiety about losing one's true self through role-playing. Conversely, Wilde's characters embrace inventing fictional personas as creative freedom. Suddenly, you're not just comparing two plots, you're uncovering a tension between competing philosophies, an insight that only becomes visible when you place the texts side by side. This is synthesis, creating new meaning from the relationship itself. Let this conversation shape your paragraphs. Start with a comparative point, weave in evidence from both texts, and always end with that synthesis. Treat both texts equally. Don't let one dominate the discussion. Strong comparison isn't a list of parallels. It's analyzing a relationship to reveal patterns and meanings that neither text could ever show on its own. That's where the real thinking happens.